Today we are going to make a Spanish dish, my version of a delicious seafood casserole. The ingredients we are going to need are seafood or dish stock, cognac, olive oil, black pepper, cayenne or Tabasco sauce, salt, 1 bay leaf, paprika, peeled and chopped tomato, tomato paste, red pepper, garlic, onion, and for the seafood we will use prawn, mussel with and without shell, scallop, cloves, and squid. This seafood casserole version takes some time, but is a very simple to make. Basically all we are going to do is fry the vegetables, after fry the seafood, starting with the hardest seafood and then adding the soft, and finally then add the stock and tomato last. The first thing we are going to do is add some olive oil in a hot pot and fry the onion in it. When the onion is golden, incorporate the garlic. Remember to always add the garlic after the onion, so it doesn't burn. Flavor it with salt and pepper. Put in the red pepper and continue to cook. Always try and cook by eye, but if you have any doubt about the ingredients, all the quantities are in the video description. Now that the pepper has softened a bit, add a pinch of paprika, a dash of cayenne. If you can't find cayenne, you can use Tabasco sauce. Now we can start with the seafood, and the squid is the hardest. Let it cook and then add the scallops. Pour in the brandy or cognac and light it up for the alcohol to evaporate. This adds a great dry flavor to the casserole. It already smells delicious. Stir in the tomato paste. Add the cloves, the mussel without shell, cover the pot for a minute and let the seafood sweat. When the seafood releases some water, add the fish stock. I have done my stock boiling the head of the prawn and reducing at medium heat. You can use fish or seafood stock cube, and it will also taste very good. Now cover the pot again and let it cook. Now that it is really hot, add in the bay leaf and the peeled and chopped tomatoes. Cover again. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we can add the mussel with shells. Finally, we can add the soft seafood, the prawns. Stir very carefully. We don't want them to break. Cover for 5 more minutes. Spread some fresh parsley. Cover the pot and turn off the heat. Let it to rest. After 2 minutes, we are ready to serve. I have used chopped tomatoes because I like the natural chunk, but you can use tomato sauce instead or blend tomatoes. And that's all. We can enjoy my version of the Spanish seafood casserole.